Hey everyone, it's me, your local fish keeper Sabrina, and today is a very exciting day because I've ordered fish online last week and it's supposed to come in today. The breeder sent him last night, so it's an overnight shipping, so I'm not that worried, but at the same time I'm still nervous because this is my first time. I just want him to come home alive and safe, and yeah, so let's do this.
I see you walk out of the shade.